Hi there and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we'll be talking about how to see if someone has restricted you on Instagram. Now before we dive into the steps, let's quickly go over what it means to be restricted on Instagram. When someone restricts you on Instagram, it means they've limited your access to their content. This can include their stories, posts and comments. When you're restricted, you won't be able to see when they're active on Instagram or when they've read your messages. So with that out of the way, let's get started on how to see if someone has restricted you on Instagram. Okay, so first, open up the Instagram app on your phone, and next go to the profile of the person you suspect may have restricted you. You can do this by searching for the username in the search bar or clicking on their profile if you already follow them. Once you're on their profile, look for any indicators that may have been restricted. This could include no recent posts or stories from them showing up in your feed or story views, unable to comment on their posts or send them direct messages, not being able to see their activity status or when they're active on Instagram. If you notice any of these signs, it's possible that you have been restricted by this user. To confirm whether you've been restricted, try to interact with their content in a different way. For example, you could create a new account and follow them from there to see if you're able to see their content or comment on their posts. If you're still unsure whether you've been restricted or not, you can try reaching out to the person directly and asking them if they've restricted you. Keep in mind that they may not respond or may not even know how to check they've restricted you. And there you have it. Those are the steps to see if someone has restricted you on Instagram. Remember, being restricted is not the end of the world, and it's important to respect other people's boundaries on social media. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.